Thanksgiving, everybody. Thank you. Happy Thursday. It's not Wednesday, it's Thursday. And I just wanted to pop in and say happy Thanksgiving. You may be able to celebrate with some family, or maybe you aren't. If you are alone today, all of the best wishes from me to you of Thanksgiving, of course. I am gonna do just a sweet, cute little, tiny little project for you today. I wanted to be here. I wanted to say that I'm thankful for you today, and I wanted to let you know how much I appreciate that you support me, that you watch my videos. Who would have thought anyone would get any value from my videos, right? So I appreciate you, and that's why I'm here today. My husband asked me, don't you take a day off? And I'm like, well, yeah, but it's Thursday, so we're going to put forward a video. I might not be live with you today, but at least I'm here. Okay, so we are going to do Gobble Till You Wobble, because I hope you are getting all of the good food that this day is often about, and getting your fill. Hopefully you're not wobbling, but if you are, wear your stretchy pants. It's okay. Unbutton that button and have a great day. So it's early in the morning. I've got my coffee. So we're gonna do a little coffee and chalking for you. Let me go ahead and show you what we're gonna do. So I have this really awesome pumpkin. I had used this last year, and I actually washed it off because it was unfinished, and I was able to wash off most of it. I'm just gonna flip it over and use this other side, and we're gonna put our turkey on it. So let me label this real quick before I get going. There we go. I have a few more of our midweek mini kits left. So if you are looking for one of those, go ahead and type I don't know what to type. Go ahead and type #kit into the comments, #KIT, and you can see the little deer midweek mini kit. Mini kits don't have a lot of stuff. It's the deer cutouts and one of the two parts of the transfer that go with the deer. So you can check that out. #kit. I have one more of my boxes this week, just one. And it is our most adorable interchangeable. This is it. We have one left. The little center pops out. You get 3 of these discs to create the images, plus you get the entire set of transfers. It's called the Peace, Joy, and Christmas Cheer. And so you can flip these over and set them into the circle, the base, and it even comes with this, which is your kind of your easel. So super cute kit. Like I said, I only have one left, so one person will get it, and then everybody else will just kind of wait until the next time. We're gonna do some really we're gonna use some cute, pretty colors. We're gonna do multicolored, kind of a hot mess, kind of an ombre. I'm gonna try to plan out where my colors go. Not so hot mess-ish, but a little bit. And I'm using shimmer, and I'm using bark. Okay, so should be good. Let's get this bark. Wow, I have like so little of this left. Definitely time to open a new container of that. Okay, so I'm gonna make the most of my turkey in the bark color. So I'm going to kind of just like spread this out here and even down to his little feet. Okay, but then we're going to do some gold. I'm going to move. There we go. Get enough gold that it will spread. And then we'll do a little bit of our harvest. This is our shimmer harvest. It's a beautiful yellowish gold color. And then we have our copper to finish him off. And for the most part, I'm going to just kind of spread this gobble, all of this around. So we've got, I'm just kind of spreading upward, right, into that gold. I'm going to go ahead and take the excess off of here, put that there, and then I'm going to use a different squeegee to kind of move forward. So you can see that I'm kind of following a pattern, kind of, but it's still a little hot mess, right? So none of those are going to get reused. I'm going to go back in with a clean squeegee and remove all the excess. Also, you guys, if you're just catching me for the first time, or maybe you've been around for a while, but you are not inside my free group, type add me in the comments and get there. All right, let's reveal. Look how cute my little Gobble Till You Wobble is. Now I'm just gonna wash this off and we'll finish up with some cute embellishments. So I just have some water over here and my board eraser, and I am just washing off the front of the transfer and then cleaning off that back as well. Make sure there's no chalk or anything in the way. And then I lay it out to dry, and you want to make sure that that transfer dries with the sticky side facing up always, okay? All right. Let's dry this. Let's dry it. Okay. Just cleaning off all this stuff. Definitely time for a new bark. Definitely. I hope you guys had a great meal today. I really do. And if you didn't, then I hope you got to do something that you enjoy. If you're watching this and it is Thursday, happy Thanksgiving. If you're watching the replay after the fact, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. All right, let's dry this so that I don't mess it up when I go to do my embellishments. I'll hold this up for you so you can see the shimmer. It's really cool. Also, take a look at our Chalk Couture. If you haven't become a member yet, what are you waiting for? It is our preferred customer program. You get lots of little perks throughout the year for being a preferred customer and joining our club, being a club member. All you have to do is type club in the comments and I will take care of the rest. I'll send you the information. And of course, all right, so I have this cute little gingham that we're gonna throw on here. I also have something else, but the gingham is like too cute. And of course, a little bit of green leaves. Let's just go ahead and do it that way. I'm gonna trim this with my only for fabric scissors. That way you've got, look how cute. So you have your pumpkin, you have your turkey, and I am gonna bring this to Thanksgiving dinner, and it'll be a cute little addition to the food table, right? Super cute, gobble till you wobble. I hope you guys had, seriously, a little joy today while I was making this, and you could see just something fun. 5-minute project, so easy. Our shimmer, I love our shimmer, don't you? Our shimmer is super cool. If you want to purchase any of the things that you saw today, you can by typing shop in the comments and grabbing the link to my shop. You probably aren't going to be making this anytime soon, but if you love those pastes that I use or any of the tools, or you need to check out our Black Friday week sales, go ahead and do that. Here's a really cool tidbit of information you may not know. Tomorrow morning, so Friday morning at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, so that's 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, and 8 a.m. Pacific, we are going to launch a whole new set of Black Friday deals in the special section on my online shop. So type shop in the comments, you'll get the link. And tomorrow, right now, we have some things left over from the Monday selection, but tomorrow launches a whole new set of stuff that's not holiday. It's going to be like your evergreen welcomes, your family, all kinds of really cool things that are not necessarily holiday. So check that out tomorrow. And in the meantime, if you have any questions about becoming a designer like me, we only have a few days left of our special. This month only, in November, we have a special when you join. Normally I don't even talk about it as much as I have been this month because we do not have sign-up specials very often. And this is only lasting till Monday. So type team in the comments. I'll get you into my opportunity group, or send me a message if you've been thinking about it. The key is we have some really great changes to our designer program. And if you haven't been familiar with what it takes to be a designer, it's easier than ever. And you do get to enjoy a very generous commission / discount on your own products. So check it out, type team in the comments, or send me a message. I'll love to chat with you about it. And I think that's it. So we're gonna go get ready to have some Thanksgiving feast. I know it's probably late at night when you're watching this, but I hope you had a fantabulous day today, and I will see you tomorrow, Black Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern time. All right, everybody. Oh, don't forget your mini kits. #kit, K-I-T, #kit. Happy Thanksgiving. Have an amazing day. Bye.